Calculate the area of the 3-inch white border of the square figure below. If the inside dimension is 11, and we have a 3 on each side, that means 11 plus 3 is 14, plus 3 more is 17. So the area of the outside rectangle is 17 by 17, and the area of the inside piece is an 11 by 11. So the first one comes out to 289 inches squared, and the inside comes out to 121 inches squared. So if we are going to find the area of the border, we're going to take our whole outside piece and we're going to remove the inside piece. And that will leave us just with just the piece around the outside, which is 168 inches squared. Now in number 2, we do not know how long the inner piece is. So we're going to use S for side length, or you can use X for an unknown. The area of the outside is going to be S plus 6, because we would have S plus 3 more makes the outside S plus 6. And since it is a square, this side is also S plus 6. We are then multiplying those two things together, and we can rewrite that as S plus 6 squared. Something being multiplied by itself 2 times can be rewritten using the squared. Then the area of the inside piece is S by S, that unknown side length by that unknown side length, or you can rewrite that as S squared. Just like in problem 1, how we had to subtract the outside from the inside to find the area of the border, in this one we are going to find the area of the border by subtracting also. The area of the outside piece is S plus 6 squared, and we need to subtract or remove the inside piece, which is S squared. Number 3, a dartboard typically has an outer ring of numbers that represent the number of points a player can score for getting a dart in that section. A simplified dartboard is shown below. The center of the circle is point A. Calculate the area of the outer ring. Write an exact answer that uses pi. Do not approximate. So the area of the outside, we also need the area of the inside, and then we're going to get the area of the outer ring. For a circle, we use the formula pi times radius squared. If the radius of the inside is 6, that would mean this one is 6 squared times pi, or pi times 6 squared. But then you can see that the border is an extra 2. So the radius for the whole outside circle would be 6 and 2 more, which means that it has a radius of 8. Squared means that you multiply something by itself. So 8 times 8 is 64, and we still have that pi symbol. 6 times 6 is 36, and we have that pi symbol. Now in my problem it said pi r squared, and then you can see I moved the pi to the end. That is because these things are multiplied together, and multiplication has a property called the commutative property, where you can switch the order and still have the same value. Just like we did in problem 2 and in problem 1, to find the area of the outer edge, or that outer ring, we are going to subtract the area of the whole outside piece by the area of the inside piece. If you subtract 64 minus 36, you will end up with 28. And then we need the pi symbol. And this was measured in inches, and it is an area, so inches squared.